color tracking robot. So let us open Python. Uh, with detecting the color and the contours detection, we will consider the image as a frame and divided it by 2. Then it will move around it. That really simple. Let us create new file. Let's try. So now, as the first step, we need to give access to the camera by importing CV2 and consider the variable cap as CV2.video capture. And if you are using external cam, you need to put one, and default webcam, then it is 0. Open the while loop. If your camera is true, access comma image is the variable where I'm going to read the cap. Then we need to show our image in the name of images, the variable of image. Then wait key. So only if you put wait key, then it will be stay in your screen. So let us check this. Now let us detect our yellow color. I'm going to detect only yellow and mask the rest of all. For that we need to import numpy as np. Lower yellow equals to something and upper yellow equals to something. So how can we find that color means using the color picker file? I'm already having that. This script here we will put as 0. So here we are going to detect only yellow and rest of thing we're going to mask. This is like trial and error method. We need to try with different track bar numbers. Now it is visible only yellow. So I have tried this before itself and noted down the value. So this is the value we will get when we detect only yellow and mask rest of all. Let, let me copy that and paste it over here. You can also try that. So now next we need to mask is equal to cv2 dot in range. Oh, before we can't import image here. Before we we are tracking only yellow, we need to change it as HSV from VGR. So HSV image equal to cv2 dot cvt color image comma cv2 dot color VGR to HSV. So now we can input HSV image lower yellow and upper yellow. Now let me take visible masked image so that you can also see what is happening. So lightning was not good around me and background was not good. Only yellow color will be visible. So next we need to do contrast reduction. For contrast reduction, let us consider the variable we are going to store is contours command fn equal to cv2 dot find contours. To find contours, we need to input the image, then cv2 dot retro external and change simple cv2 dot chain approx simple. And if contour is not equal to 0, if it is detected the white yellow color greater than 0, then we will say we will move further to the next step as we need to find the maximum contours large contours from this large equal to maximum of contours. Then we need to find the moments of that large contours. Moments of large contours. Now we are going to divide our frame as two with the width. Mm, if we take our yellow color to right side of the frame, it will say as right, or else if we take to the left side, it will say as left. So width we are going to divide it as two. For that, uh, so before going to that, I need to say that if you find some midpoint of some object you are detecting, you can do it like this: cx comma cy equal to x plus w divided by 2, comma y plus w divided by 2. Once in this case will applicable if you draw a bounding box inside bounding box for the object you detected, you can apply this. You will get the center point in center point. You will get one circle for the object you detected. So in this case, we are not going to detect some object. Instead, we need to find the contours. So I'm not going to find the center point. Instead that I am going to have some two random points. Then if the image is greater than image dot shape this. Okay. So what here means, if this point is lesser than uh, image dot shape of 1 means image dot shape of 0 is the first element and 1 is the second element, which is height and width. um, I'm not having any images to show you. So if you take one image, definitely it will be in the size of like 1280 cross 720. So 720 is the height value and 1280 will be the width value. So 0 will be 1280 and image dot shape of 1 means it will be 720. So as I said, we are going to divide our height by 2. So we are taking the second element, not the first element 0, second element height as a 1. and we are saying if our yellow color detected is the right side of the frame, it will be like turn right or left, whatever we want. Else, turn right. So this is like only a software. So whenever you are doing with hardware, you need to import the GPA move and ask the motor to slow down or however you can turn right or left. So for stop, if yellow color is not detected, we can say it to stop and stop. So now I'm going to show you the output what I will get. Some error. Simple fun controls. Okay. Forgot to put it here, I guess. And also here I can't import the image what I get. I need to import the masked image. So the error was that again if contours is greater than zero. Oh, length of contours. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can see that no, I don't have proper lightning and background is also yellow, so it is always detected. So you can see that no yellow is detected. I block my camera so that the background of yellow it can't detect. So when no yellow is detected, it will stop. So when yellow is detected and if it is the right side of my frame, it will say as turn left. And when it is left side of frame, it will say as turn right. Yes. So by importing GPIO and you can able to control your motor too. Like this, you can input in real time.